Hey there, Raiders. Here's how to unlock more turret decks in SAND. If you're starting to find the default turret decks too limited in their firing coverage, or you've noticed you can't build anything on top of them because they lack supporting frames, it's time to unlock some upgraded variants. To do this, head back to the main lobby and open the tech tree. Navigate to Landwehr's branch, which is the green upgrade path. The first turret deck upgrade unlocks the wide turret deck, which costs 1,000 crowns. Its wider design provides better firing angles, making it ideal for mounting on the corners of your trampler. Further along the same branch, you'll find the framed turret deck, which costs 1,750 crowns and 200 scrap ammo. Unlike the default version, this variant includes supporting frames, allowing you to build additional decks or compartments above it. As you continue progressing through the tech tree, you'll unlock even more turret deck variants with added armor and protection. These higher tier upgrades are more durable, but they'll also require significantly more crowns and rarer materials to obtain. Once you've unlocked the variants you want, return to your trampler's build page and replace or add your new turret decks. Position them around your trampler to maximize your firing coverage and create better overlapping fields of fire. By combining different turret deck variants, you can build a trampler that's better suited for both offense and defense, depending on your preferred playstyle. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.